Hi everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? I know my eyes are looking a little weird because I have the camera in front of me and then the laptop over here, and it's a little confusing here. Okay, I bet you're all wondering what the title of the video means. I'm going to tell you in just a second. I just want to show you a couple of things that I got today. Actually, my dad got them. If you know anything about them, let me know, please. Okay, so this is some kind of like tapestry. Well, I wouldn't call it a tapestry, it's more like a rug. But it's a bedspread. I think it's either Russian or Turkish. I'm not sure. It has a couple on it. This is how it looks, and I have two of them, and this is how the back looks. I want to show you guys, and it comes with two pillowcases. Sorry, it's a big mess here, guys. Okay, so these are the pillowcases. Very cute. The back is silk. Sorry about the lighting. It's a little dark in here. I don't know why. But yeah, okay, so these he got for $1 each for each bedspread. And he got these ashtrays. There was two of these. Hang on. Okay, sorry, I'm not going to be able to read the chat. I'll tell you why in just a second. They're kind of like a wine color and some vases and stuff, but he paid like $10 for everything, which is great. And this is the vase. And I have a few jewelry items. One of my viewers was asking for something like this. I don't remember who it was. Let me know if it was you. It's a religious pendant. It's Guadalupe on it, and this is what it looks. Well, this is the back. This is what it looks like. I know it's very shiny, so it's hard for it to focus on here because of the shine. But hang on a second. How? Hmm. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, and a few other items here, and then I'll let you guys know what the title of the video means. And this is a cross. It's light blue enamel. This is also sterling. I love how the back is. And these all came with the chains. Very cute. And a few more things. Okay. Well, this one is not sterling, but I'll show you. It's 2028. It's a little butterfly. So that's my son. Okay. This is just one chain and another one with the pendant. Sorry about the video, guys. The video is zooming in and out because it doesn't know where to focus. Focus. Now it does. Now it's very confused. Okay. And this one here. I just love these really the thicker sterling chains. And this one here is Juicy Couture. It's initial T. It's in great condition. Let me show you. I don't know how much these go for, but I know they're not $1. Okay. Oh, come on, focus. There you go. Okay. Now about, oh, did I show you all? Okay. And now about the video. Okay. So right now, there's this new. Well, first, let me tell you how I found out. I was watching Lonnie yesterday from Garage Flips. I don't know if you guys watch, but if you don't, please go ahead and subscribe. It's a really great channel, and that's what I was watching yesterday. Thank you, Lonnie, for if I hadn't watched that yesterday, I wouldn't have known about this feature. So I'm watching. As I'm watching, I'm noticing that it's dark. It's actually light outside, and it's dark inside where I live. It's dark outside. So I'm wondering how is it, light where he is and dark where we are, and it's alive. So I said, okay, I'm gonna go look at the chat, and so I saw the chat is active. So what's going on here? What's going on? How is he doing alive when it's dark outside, but it's showing light where he is? So what I did is I Googled a few things, and then I came across where it said that YouTube has a new feature right now where you can pre-record videos and then put them up as lives, which is what I'm doing right now. So this is not a real live, guys. This is just a pre-recorded video. It's showing you that it's live, but it's not actually live. And I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about this feature for me. Everybody's will be different. What I like about this video is you can go ahead and watch it just with everybody, like a movie, like only the movie is you. And you can be very active in the chat to where you're answering everybody and you're seeing everything that's going, in the chat. You can see everything and you can talk to everybody as you're watching. And then that's what I liked about the feature. And what I didn't like about the feature is it's very impersonal. It's like what I would call the catfish of YouTube live videos, where the viewer doesn't know it's not live. But eventually they all will, because it's still a new feature and not everybody knows. Eventually they will. But I find lives are better in most cases, not every case, where you're actually face to face with the person, what your chat, and you're answering as it goes. That I found as one of the bad things about the feature. But as far as the good things go, where you want to actually see what people are saying and interact with them as the live goes up, that's a very good thing. For some videos, that actually really does work. So I wanted to let you guys know about this new feature they have. It's called Premiere, YouTube Premiere, and I'm going to tell you also how you can use it. So what you do is go ahead and upload any video that you want to put up, and where you press on the little red, the arrow where it says upload. You just go on there, and then on the side right hand side corner, there's this little button area where you can just check it out. This, I'm not sure if this works in every state or every country, but it does work here in California. It is working. So in most places it does, but I'm not sure if it'll work everywhere. But if you don't see that little button where it says Premiere, that means that they don't have it updated where you live yet. So yeah, so you go ahead and check that, and then what you can do is you can set it for a couple of hours from now, or you can even set it for next week or next month. You can put it for put the live whenever you would like to put it up. So I think it's a fun feature. Of course, there's things that I don't like about it, and things I do. And thank you, Lonnie, again, for your video yesterday. I mean, if I hadn't been in the live yesterday, I would have never even known about it. And I wanted, to share it with everybody, about this feature. If you are a YouTuber and you do want to do lives where you would love to pre-record it and be very active in the chat, this is perfect for you. And yeah, I just wanted to let everybody know. Thank you for everybody that joined me today, even though I'm not here. Well, I am here, but I'm not actually live. Please go ahead and comment under the video what you think about this feature, and what you like and what you don't like. I would love to know, because it's new, and it's very interesting to know what other people's thoughts are on it. So again, thank you very much for coming and watching. This is Anita Fanita. Hope you had fun, and hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you very much. This is again me, Anita Fanita, saying goodbye.